Hi everyone, welcome to YouTube channel. Hope you subscribe my channel. If not so, just do it now. So today I'm going to unboxing my product. This is come from Aliexpress. I ordered this product about 20 to 25 days ago, and this product come to my home today. So this is my first shopping at Aliexpress. So today I like to unbox these three products so that I can share my AliExpress shopping experience with you. So here you can see this is iPhone case. So I like to open this one. So this product sent to me in this box. So this is a simple iPhone case, but they sent me really nicely. So this is the iPhone case. Here you can see. You can also find this product link in my description below also. So this is something XIX. This is the cover. You can see this is really nice cover. Steve Jobs using laptop with their MacBook, and this is iPhone 6s Plus cover. So here you can Apple is dropping at Steve Jobs. So this is really nice and look like stylish cover. I like this cover. This is really nice cover. So this one, now I like to open these two. I ordered these two. This is a simple ring. They sent me this ring very nicely. The packet is really nice. So here is the ring, and other one. So here is the another one. So let's open. This is really nice. It's for this finger. So that's all. This is my three product which come to me today. So I'm really happy about the shipping and both product and shipping. So I hope you like this video. You can also find the product link in my description below, and I hope you like this video. So give me a big thumbs up and mostly subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. So thank you for watching. Please stay safe and be happy.